Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In part 2 of our DIY wheel hub assembly replacement guide, we'll continue the process by installing the new wheel hub assembly and ensuring everything is properly secured. Stay tuned for valuable tips to complete the replacement smoothly. Now that you have gathered all the necessary tools, you're ready to take on this automotive repair task like a pro. Step-by-step guide for wheel hub assembly replacement. When it comes to replacing your wheel hub assembly, it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure the proper functioning of your vehicle. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, from preparation to reassembling the brake components, making it easier for you to tackle this task with confidence. Preparation steps. Before starting the replacement process, gather all the necessary tools and materials required for the job. Make sure you have a jack stands, lug wrench, socket set, and a new wheel hub assembly suitable for your vehicle make and model. Park your vehicle on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheels to prevent any movement. Removing the wheel and brake caliper. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel that needs the hub assembly replacement. Lift the vehicle with the jack and secure it on jack stands. Remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Locate the brake caliper and bolts securing it to the hub assembly. Remove the caliper bolts and carefully hang the caliper out of the way using a wire hanger to avoid damaging the brake line. Taking out the old wheel hub assembly. With the brake caliper out of the way, you can now access the old wheel hub assembly. Depending on your vehicle, there may be additional components, such as the dust cover and axle nut, that need to be removed. Once these are out of the way, you can unbolt the old hub assembly from the steering knuckle using the appropriate tools. Installing the new wheel hub assembly. Position the new wheel hub assembly in place and secure it to the steering knuckle with the bolts. Make sure the assembly is installed correctly and torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Reattach any additional components that were removed during the disassembly process. Reassembling the brake components. Carefully place the brake caliper back into position over the new wheel hub assembly. Reinstall the caliper bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Put the wheel back on the hub and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle, then tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern to ensure proper and even tightening. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can successfully replace your wheel hub assembly and get back on the road with confidence in your vehicle's performance. Tips for wheel hub assembly replacement success. When it comes to replacing a wheel hub assembly, there are several key tips to ensure a successful outcome. Proper torquing of components, wheel alignment check, and thorough testing are crucial steps in this process. Let's dive into these essential tips. Proper torquing of components. One of the most critical aspects of replacing a wheel hub assembly is ensuring that all components are properly torqued. This includes the wheel hub bolts, lug nuts, and any other fasteners involved in the assembly. Using a torque wrench set to the manufacturer's specifications is vital to prevent under or over tightening, which can lead to issues such as wheel wobbling or damage to the assembly over time. Wheel alignment check. After replacing the wheel hub assembly, it's important to perform a wheel alignment check. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear, steering issues, and poor vehicle handling. A professional alignment ensures that the wheels are correctly positioned according to the manufacturer's specifications, enhancing safety and driving comfort. Test drive and inspection. Once the wheel hub assembly replacement and alignment check are complete, it's crucial to take the vehicle for a test drive. During the test drive, pay attention to any unusual noises, vibrations, or steering irregularities. Additionally, inspect the newly replaced wheel hub assembly for leaks, proper fitment, and overall functionality. A thorough test drive and inspection can reveal any potential issues early on, allowing for prompt adjustments if needed. By following these tips for wheel hub assembly replacement success, you can ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Proper torquing, wheel alignment checks, and thorough testing are key factors in achieving optimal performance and longevity from your new wheel hub assembly. Cost of wheel hub assembly replacement. When considering the cost of a wheel hub assembly replacement, various factors come into play, influencing the final price you may encounter. Factors affecting the cost. 1. Vehicle make and model. The type of vehicle you drive can significantly impact the cost of replacing a wheel hub assembly. High-end or luxury vehicles often require specialized parts, resulting in higher replacement costs. 2. Quality of parts. Opting for OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts over aftermarket alternatives may come at a higher price, but can ensure better compatibility and performance in the long run. 3. Labor costs. Labor charges for wheel hub assembly replacement can vary depending on the mechanic's expertise, location, and shop rates. It's advisable to get quotes from multiple repair shops to find a competitive price. 4. Additional repairs. If other components, such as the brakes or suspension, need attention while replacing the wheel hub assembly, expect the overall cost to increase. Average price range. The average cost of wheel hub assembly replacement typically ranges from $200 to $1,000 per assembly, including parts and labor. However, prices can fluctuate based on the factors mentioned above. It's crucial to consult with a trusted mechanic to get an accurate estimate tailored to your specific vehicle and circumstances. Remember, prioritizing quality parts and skilled labor can save you from potential future issues and ensure a smooth driving experience. After looking into the world of wheel hub assembly replacement, we have embarked on a quest to understand the pivotal role this component plays in the smooth operation of our vehicles. By unraveling the complexities of this seemingly mundane part, we have learned that even the smallest piece can be a game changer when it comes to the safety and performance of our cars. As we wrap up our exploration, it becomes clear that the wheel hub assembly is more than just a simple component. It is a crucial element that ensures a seamless driving experience. Just like a well-oiled machine relies on every cog to function efficiently, our vehicles rely on the proper functioning of the wheel hub assembly to keep us moving forward. So, the next time you hit the road, take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero that is the wheel hub assembly. Its silent resilience and fast-paced performance may often go unnoticed, but without it, our journey would come to a screeching halt. Remember, when it comes to vehicle maintenance, staying informed and proactive can make all the difference in ensuring a safe and enjoyable ride. That's a wrap for part 2 of our DIY wheel hub assembly replacement guide. You've now replaced the old assembly with a new one, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.